take another example, that is 309.168. So see here, again place values, digits I have written arranged this way. 309 means value of 309. So value of 3, place of 3 will be 100. 0, place value of 0 is tens, and place value of unit is 9.168. So 1 will come under the 10, 100 will come under the 6, 6 will come under the 100 place, and 8 will come under the 1000 place. And the place value of this 3 is 300. This tens 0. I told whenever 0 will be there, you have to, whenever 0 will be there, you have to write that 0 as it is. Then next is 9 is unit place. So 9 will come as it is. Then after decimal point, 1 upon 10. Here again 1 only simply given. So 1 upon 10 means 0.1. 1 upon 10 means 0.1. Then 6 upon 100, that means 0.06. And here 8 upon 1000, that means 0.008. Okay, see what I done. 1 10th place, that means 1 upon place value of 1 is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 we can write as 0.1. After decimal point only one digit will come, because on 1 0 is there. Next is the place value of 6 is 6 upon 100, and we can write that 0.06, because on 1 only 2 zeros are there. So after decimal point 2 digits must be there. So 0.06. And place value of 8 will come 8 upon 1000, that means 0.008. Okay, because on 1 3 zeros are there. So you can write place value of 8 is 0.008. That is the thousandth place. Okay. So this is our second example. First example was from the practice set 14. You can continue this second example. Under that already you have drawn the table. So you can continue this second example under that example only. Then let's see the third example. So in the third example, so this is the second example, is over here. In third example, suppose I have started just okay. So now what will be the place value of 4 is the tens. Here no 100 place, so no problem. So what will be the place value of 4 is the 40. What will be the place value of 2 is the 2. Then what will be the place value of 8? Now it comes after decimal point. So remember students, whenever we start from after decimal point to write the place value, it will come in the form of numerator and denominator. Plus value, first digit value, for that denominator will be 10. 8 upon 10 means 0.8. Then next 9 upon 100. Here what happens? On 1, number of zeros will go on increase. Here first 10, then denominator will be 100, then 1000, then 10,000, and so on. Denominator I am telling. Then 9 upon 100 means 0.09. And 0, you can write 0 upon 1000 or simply 0 also. 0 upon 1000 will come only 0. Okay. So 3 examples I have solved. Now you have to copy this example, all 3 examples in your notebook. You can continue in practice set 14. Question 1 is given only. Under that second example and third example you have to write in this way. So I hope it is clear to you how to write the place value of each digit when any number is given in the decimal form. Thank you.